In this video, I'm going to show you the importance of where you right-click on the screen. Oftentimes in these tutorials, I'll tell you to click or to right-click certain areas of your screen to get to certain menus. For our example, if we right-click on our desktop, you can see we get a menu such as what we can view, how we can view it and sort it. We can refresh our desktop. We can create new desktop icons, and we can see some different settings. But if we right click down at the empty part of our taskbar, we can see a whole different menu, such as different things we could put on our taskbar, like toolbars, search buttons, other type of buttons, and then we can see our desktop or our task manager or even our taskbar settings. But if we right click on an icon on our desktop, or our taskbar, we can see that we have settings for those apps. Another neat feature here is that if we right click on our start menu, we can have a whole second start menu of options here, as opposed to just left clicking or a normal click on our start menu. A couple cool features I like on the right click of our start menu include the device manager and the disk management, which we will get to in a future video. This has been a super quick video by nephew.tech.com, and I hope you learned something.